Hi, I'm Lily and I'm doing BEng Civil and Coastal Engineering at the University of Plymouth. My project is looking at renewable energy sources such as the OWC, which is an oscillating water column. It's this large structure that you find on the side of cliffs, or they can be floating in the ocean. And as waves hit this chamber, it will oscillate within the chamber itself, creating an air pressure that will then move a turbine and create clean, renewable energy. But the only problem is not a lot of people have done research into them because they're such large structures and they cost so much money to build. Hence my project is looking at optimising it in the best way in terms of its geometry to make it a better structure and device for renewable energy sources. So I probably found the lab the most challenging part of my project, as you can't expect anything to actually happen in the lab the way you want it to. So everything can change at any given moment. I had to look at the data and decide whether or not it was of a good quality. And I actually found that some of my equipment hadn't been working at a certain point throughout the project. So I had to redo it because you can always have problems such as calibration errors and equipment failing and equipment not being turned on. So I had to come back into the lab, pick myself back up and redo it all to make sure that it was of good quality for my dissertation project. The support that I mostly got for this project was from my supervisor, Dave. So at all the meetings that I attended, any problems that I had would be resolved within those meetings. And if I had any other further questions, obviously I had Andy in the lab and any of the other technicians if any software was failing or any equipment was failing like it did. So there was a lot of support from the university to help me through my dissertation.